Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dramatic reverse effect for your videos in the CapCut mobile. So just add the video that you want to edit and split the video to where you want the reverse to start. So I'm going to go split in here. Okay, so just click on split, then delete the rest of the clip. Okay, now click on the video and duplicate it. So there will be two videos, and for the second one, click on reverse. This one. Now video will reversing. Just wait until the reversing process is done. And after that, you can just click on both of the clips and speed up the clips to your liking. So in here, I'm going to go to speed normal. Then I'm going to speed up the clip to around 3 times like this. Do this also for the first clip. Okay, click on a check icon, and now you can you can just add a filter on the second clip to have that dramatic effect. So head to filter and select your favorite filter. Here I'm going to go with the, let's add this, maybe this red. Let's try. Okay, this one. Click on a check icon, and this will be the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.